Hey everybody! So today me and Soraya were at the museum. Last time we were at California. It was fun and we took pictures with my mom. And Soraya really loved the Barbie, but that was for girls. And we also saw a little pumper and we just found out that it pumped the gas. Look at it. It looked so cool to us. Really, really cool. And then when we saw inside it, we saw that the evaporated water inside there. So I thought that there was fire inside there with water. And then we saw the walls, and then we saw some trains. We saw the trains. And we saw a mini city of California. That was really, really cool. So it had all the buildings, all the trees, the Hollywood sign, the mountains, the trains, everything. It was so cool. And then we found out that this pumped out blankets, like the pumper that pumped out gas. Then we went rock climbing. It was fun, but I almost made it to the top. But I didn't exactly make it to the top. Then we went grocery shopping. It was fun. Yeah. And we paid for all our stuff. And we met some people, and then we saw the planet. It was really, really cool. And I'm not kidding. I really love planets. Like you do know me. Like you know me, I really know planets. I really know planets, and I really like planets. So after that, we got some oranges, but then we figured out you can't pick them up because you can't take them home because they might waste them, and those are really rare. Yeah, so they gotta build those. So you have to scan them to buy them, basically. So basically, if you go supermarketing, you have to buy things. And then we went to the helicopter, and then we saw some stuff. I told them it was really cool. Look at it. And this is the supermarket. So basically, you gotta buy stuff in order to pay for it. So you gotta scan it like that. See what I'm doing? Yeah, like that. Yeah, so we look at that helicopter. It was so cool. It was so cool. But it didn't exactly have the wind sides. And then we went to the top of it. And then we went pole climbing. And then we went to that was crazy. I think. So that was really cool. So we kept going and going until decided. We went to a hotel. And I was saying I'm about to book me a room. Yeah. But that wasn't exactly a hotel. That was actually a house. It's a bunch of people. How was it a hotel? I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. Because all I think is that was a hotel, not a house. So we had really a lot of fun there. It was really, really fun. So yeah, I think we're still in the hotel, the garage. Yeah, we're still in the hotel. And then we were upstairs, and there was a lot of Barbie upstairs, a lot of it. And I'm not kidding. Look at it, so many. And then we went to the washing machine room, and we saw all the washing machine stuff until this happened. Yep, we went over here to see if I could pull a log, and I succeeded. Yeah, I can hold 15 pounds. That's just crazy. And we're back upstairs time. And there was a lot of Barbie stuff, so I could use that. So I wish they just gave that to Soraya, sell it away. So also the upstairs cannot be boy stuff. Yeah, because there's a little bit too much Barbie. Okay, so see ya.